Hi, hello, it's Wednesday today, and I just had such a lovely riding lesson here in Richmond in stable. I just booked it so far. It's so far from me, like 2 hours to come here, but I decided to come here because it's different experience. You just riding right in the forest, right in Richmond, and I find it useful and really practical for practical reasons, because when you're training inside arena, it's one thing, but when you are training outdoor without any walls or without any arena, it's completely different. So it was really nice and unusual and something new for me. And I booked that far because last week I was raised in my stable in East London to new rider. Yay! Finally, and now I can book new level lessons. And what's the difference? Because if you're a totally beginner and you just can't trot yourself, they have only one lesson on Saturday and Sunday, and it's really hard to book because it's always sold out. And I decided, maybe I can combine two stables to train myself, and then I booked, and then next day I had a lesson, and my teacher, my coach, said, you know what, you can switch and be in a new rider group. And I'm so happy I have this Friday a new lesson, a new group, and new horses. I think horses will be the same, but new group and more experienced rider, I could say. It's like, again, completely beginner, because the stages goes from new rider to beginner, then novice, then intermediate, and just pro or something in the end. And anyway, you have the stages for new rider, beginner, and novice. And anyway, I have a long way to move to next level, but still I'm so excited, and I'm not sure I will go that often here to ride in Richmond because it's too far and it's more expensive. It's longer, and that's why it's more expensive. But it was nice to see deers and just trotting and like training yourself and see deers around. And yeah, it was fun, it was interesting, and I've tried, I guess, all stables in London now. I've been in another in Richmond, in Trent Park, in East London, in another Richmond, in South as well. I just tried how far I need to go. Just want to try what fits me, what suits me. And yeah, I will continue to do it in a group in East London. I think twice a week would be nice, because once a week on weekend it's not enough, but twice a week would be good. And now I decided to walk in Richmond, to explore the park, and just to meet with my friend, hopefully there in Richmond. So let's find something to eat.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. Washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise promise you this.
Here.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit.
What a day today! I just tried 40 minutes in the morning bike to go to the stables, then 1 hour horse, and now we'll trail for about hour and a half. It's a lot. I already feel tired, and to be honest, I started to feel better when it became like September, October, because I was expected I will want to go to sleep earlier or will wake up later. Do you hear it? It's like deers, like lions in safari park. So loud. And I started to take supplements for mental health. Like, it's vitamins, but they're basically for like improving mental health and for improving gut system, digestion system. And to be honest, it works. I started to do a wild nutrition, and I already bought the second pack to use, and really love it. I tried different vitamins and also started to feel much better when I started to go to horse riding more often, more consistent, like I don't know, it works for my body, like to like a sport, I could say, but it also works for mental health, and also combine it with acupuncture. I talked about it in my vlog about mental health in general, and I really feel difference, and I really feel improvement for my body and mind in general after all these activities. Combine it all together, vitamins, riding, and acupuncture, because I had just tough muscles here, and now it's nothing. Even if I'm worrying, even if I'm stressed, it's okay now. And also, what else? I also bought new air plugs, because previous one it was good, but new one is even better. I thought my previous is perfect, but new one is I can't feel it, and I sleep better, I think, because of them. So it is my update from the last vlog about mental health. It's all together really works when you combine it with body, working physically, working with some teachers or other people who can improve my physical state, and also vitamins and some supplements which you need also really works. And I started to wake up at like before 8 and feel myself much better.